Now it is fine. I hope you are able to hear my voice. Before starting the session, I would like to give some of the informations that at the end of the program we will have one small test, which is a fun kind thing. In my presentation, that also be disclosed here, and let us have some exercises, live exercises. And to play that game you should have a mobile or else a laptop. If you are able to hear through the laptop, then you can easily play the game through the mobile. By I'm going to issue one password. From that password you can log in. Just you need to go through it and you can answer it with the help of Kahoot is one thing I would like to play, and there is one more thing is called Mentimeter to know my feedback whether the session was good or bad. Just we will have what we call a small demo session so that you can conduct your classes online very effectively. And how my presentation will go like this. I'm going to talk much about the effective online teaching tools and assessments. After that, I would like to give one small demonstration of WebEx. Hope you all might be knowing about the WebEx, but there are some more things which is very hidden inside the WebEx. I would like to share as one of the tool as a WebEx, and there are other things also. Let me begin my talk like this. Uh, Hello, do my voice is audible now? I got muted actually. Okay, now yeah, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about the tools for online teaching. First one is WebEx meeting, which is free, but the constraint in the WebEx meeting is that you can have only 100 participants in the room, not more than that. And the beauty is that you can have a manual control on the WebEx rather than the other thing. And this is also very good for the video conferences solution. Video conferencing like national and international conference can also be hosted using WebEx. And even if you want to conduct this program for 7 days or 1 week, it's charging only about $10. You can if you want to host a very big program, you can buy this WebEx for 7 days, or that is 2 weeks. You can buy it. Second one is Zoom, is another one everyone knows. Next one is Google Teach for Home. This is a new feature. Sorry, this is a new feature that is available for the Google. Even you can also know it as a Google Meet is one thing. Next one is Edmo. Edmo is a very good tool for online teaching and assessment, especially if you want to conduct any exams. And the importance of the Edmo is that a teacher can be on live with the students to one-to-one interaction. That is superb. Even students can post any questions or any queries to the Edmo, and teacher can answer that to the questions directly without calling any students. And the fifth one is GoToMeeting, which is also good. The good thing in the GoToMeeting is that it can allow up to 251 members, including a speaker. You can host it, and recording options, everything is good. That was also GoToMeeting is also a part of Microsoft. And next one is Microsoft Teams. Seriously, try to register yourself in Microsoft Teams. It is free of cost right now due to COVID, a pandemic situation. And you can host classes and you can host conferences. Anything can be done using Microsoft Teams. Even through Google account also you can host the Microsoft team. And the last one is Schoology is for the 12th standard, 10th standard people like school teachers. It will be used for them, but it is also a wonderful tool. Next is about what are the resources which can be used for flipped classrooms. We do have several education tools like one is LMS is one thing, learning thing LMS. In that one, the first one is Coursera. Do our JBRC is having Coursera registration, madam? Naveen?
Yes, sir, we have that,
Coursera.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, we are having, sir.
very, very good. Madam, what about edX, ma'am?
No, no, we doesn't
Uh,
have index.
No.
okay, now I'm going to show that edX also, which is also free of cost. How to register? Let me show you. Okay, and I request all the people to mute yourself. Okay. One is Coursera is one thing, a resource for flipped classroom. Second one is edX, and third one is Khan Academy, very good for the students. And the fourth one is very innovatively, that is Future Learning, which is also just like a certification program, which is used for all the faculty and student community for any drive for if students want to place for placement. This certification is also very useful. Future Learn. Seriously, I request all the faculty to communicate the same thing to your students also regarding Future Learn, which is wonderful program. And fifth one, everyone knows, that is NPTEL. And next after that, Moodles is one more, which is also a good tool. And the beauty of the Moodle is that you can record the sessions and you can post it in the Moodle cloud, so that your student can be see that videos at any time. Like there is no, we call it as for example, this is a session, we call it as a live session. Without live also we can record and we can inform our students to go through these courses, and you can update yourself. Second one is, if you are an IEEE member, there are few courses in IEEE e-learning which is very useful for future education related activities. There are so many wonderful courses which are available in IEEE also. Next one is MATLAB e-learning. Right now, AICT is providing so many learning sources in the for the faculty as well as for student community. Among that one, in my talk, after my talk, I would like to show you that the links. There are three. Okay, there are totally uh, 3 to 5 courses about MATLAB, which is of very free of cost. One course is deep learning, second course is machine learning. All we call it as a on-ramp programs. Let me show you. And let me give some flavor about the MATLAB e-learning. Next, all the remaining things everyone knows, that is NEET is one thing, Swayam courses, which is also a part of NPTEL, and NDL is especially for the libraries, and earup.org. These are all new resources which you can go through it and you can educate yourself from that link. I request Naveen to remind me regarding edX at the last. I would like to show the demo so that it will be useful for your college. And one more thing I would like to add one point here is, there is a lot of difference between Coursera and edX. Even edX is a founder name is Anant. Okay, Anant Agarwal. He is origin from the Indian. He has started that online course, that is edX, with the help of Harvard University. The only difference in these two is, hello, 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 hello.
No videos, I.
Yeah,
Now it is
yeah,
okay.
yeah, 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 yeah. So,
Now
something
it is okay.
got it went back. Yeah, now it's off. The difference between Coursera and edX is that Coursera, any number of student and any number of courses he can join. That there is no restriction for a student. He can do 30 certificates or 4 certificates, 40, 100 can be done in the Coursera. Whereas coming to the edX, only one student or one faculty can do only one course. That's all. That is the difference between Coursera and edX. That means in edX they will give you some like coupons, like Amazon coupons, like that. They will give the coupons to the single point of contact person, and he will be the single point of contact for all the faculty and student community as well as the edX also. And one more thing in the edX is that it is especially given to the people who has an accreditation called NBA or else NAC. Any one of the accreditation should be there to have a edX platform. Okay, these are the few things which I have highlighted is one, online labs. You can conduct online labs. I missed one more thing. That is one more thing you can have. It is Tinkercad is for, especially for ECE people. Okay, ECE and Triple E people can use Tinkercad. If you want, I will give you one slight favor about the Tinkercad also. One thing is about the virtual labs, which is sponsored by MHRD. Next one is engineering Melton, and these are the few things which are online labs can be conducted. And one more thing, online MATLAB by MathWorks. I'm going to demonstrate that one also. And Coursera Rhythm is also an online lab. Online labs. Let me give you one example that in that one Coursera there is a program called Python for Everyone, which is about virtual side-by-side learning basis. And the last one is FOSSI open sources. This even JBRC is very closely associated with IIT Bombay. Everyone knows about this last program. Okay, I will demonstrate about the MathWorks to you all. Okay, 1 second. Do my voice? Yes, my voice is audible. Yeah, next one is what are the free MOOC courses during this pandemic? These are the few courses which is provided to all the faculty and student community that during this pandemic situation you can go through these courses. That is JBRC is associated with Coursera. Soon they may also go associated with edX also. Hope for the best. And future learning is a free course. I request all the participants to do the courses in this first three things: Coursera, edX, and Future Learn. Future Learn doesn't require any registration. Just individual participant can also log in into this, and you can take any one of the courses and you can go through it. I forgot to put one more thing. Even TCS Glassroom is also one program which is done by TCS Ion. Once go through the TCS Ion website where you can get some courses also. There are some courses which are paid and some courses are which are free of cost. I have registered one program long back. I need to think and I need to complete that course as soon as possible. Okay, the fourth program is about psychology, which is given from the Australia. Okay, this is about some of the MATLAB resources which I would like to share a small demo with you all regarding this one. And even even Coursera is also tie up with MATLAB also for some online courses like deep learning is one aspect, and Kias they are tie up with all sources. One of the sources MATLAB. Yeah. What are the government of India initiatives for teaching learning programs? This everyone knows. The first three everyone knows. The fourth one, especially faculty knows about it. It is a program which is done by the government of India for faculty development programs for all faculty communities. And the next one is free AICT courses. In that one, I'm going to show you about this MathWorks, where you can get certification programs by completing the assignments and the courses. And next one is about okay, what are this is very interesting as per my knowledge is concerned. Online websites. First one, everyone knows about the Google Classroom. Why? But with one single code with our PIN number, you can invite your students to join your classes just like a virtual classes. It whatever the content you want to share, you can share the PPTs, you can share the documents, and you can conduct the test by using the Google Classroom. Next one is online Moodle course. Okay, that is for next very important thing. And the beauty about the Moodles is that even in the absence of the net, whenever your net is available, even for 2G also it works. Moodles work for 2G also. I don't think Google and other things work for 2G, but Moodle support for 2G. Especially, they have a constraint about the rural background by keeping in mind of a rural background. They have designed this program, Moodle's Cloud. Next, Canvas. This is a very big ocean. If you want to learn, you just Google it. By searching it, you will get the information about the Canvas, and CourseNet is one thing. Pizza. This is about the presentation point of view. You can create your own blogs, and you can ask your student to participate in that programs. WordPress is just like a website related thing. You can dump your PPTs and lecture notes there. Next, PowerPoint is a online presentation which is very beautiful. And last one is PZ Video. This is one kind of a innovative presentation that in single presentation you can cover almost all your slides. Soon you can also see the demo of that one. Okay. Next one is about software which helps to create a videos. This is very beautiful one. What is needed is if you have a problem, or else if someone of your student have a problem, I request Nehru sir, please mute yourself, sir. Nehru J. Yeah. Okay. Especially for the people who have a problem of net issues. For example, some of your students are in the villages. If there is a net issue, then what you can do, what I have tried from my end is, third one is very beautiful, screencastometer. What you can do is you can record your session and post that record in the screencastometer, and you can delete some of the portion. For example, you have recorded your session for 1 hour, but that 1 hour duration session may not be go through the WhatsApp, or may not be go through the even Google also, even not even Facebook also. It doesn't take that much duration. What you can do is you can divide that videos into some clusters, and you can pass. That clustering can be done by using Castometer, which is very beautiful. Once try at your end, take a small demo and you do it. You will I can assure you that you will love that Castometer. Okay, screen Castometer. And first one is about a flashback recorder. You can go through that one, and uh, you can do some demo work on that one. Just this session is to give you an enlightenment of what are the online tools which are available at our end. Next one is Zoom is one thing, and the presentation I have discussed. Then Epic Pen. You can do some online like uh, like we call it as a live writing on the board. That can be done using this website. It is not Pen, it is Pen. Epic underscore dash pen.com. Okay, just go through that one, and you can get some knowledge about it. Okay, what are this online assessment? Okay, what are the assessments we can do for exams, to give the exam to the students? One is about Google Form. Everyone knows it is beautiful. Hope even JBRC is also conducting some assessments through Google Form. If you want, I will do some small demo. If you need, if seriously, if you require, I can do. We will have a small exam at the end of this program. This is for a fun that I will do by using Kahoot. Second one, and next one, Mentimeter is also a beautiful app. You can post your questions there, and you can get your instantaneous answers from the students. The beauty in this Kahoot as well as Mentimeter is that you students cannot copy the answers, or they cannot ask the answers, because these two tests will be conducted on live. There is no chance of malpracticing. Nehru sir, I request you to mute, sir. It's my humble request. Yeah, thank you. Kahoot and Mentimeter is a beautiful one. This two I'm going to demonstrate live at my end of the talk. Next one, okay, Plickers is one thing. Quizlet is also a beautiful app. You can conduct the online test and assessments using Quizlet, and Visa. Poll Everywhere is one more app, and Edu Puzzles is one more app where you can do all this online demonstrations for the assessments. Soon we may to engage our classes with the students, we can have one small test. And the one more good thing what I like in the Google form is that we can change the options. For example, if you are selecting same questions like options ABC in the same fashion, students may do malpractice. But there is an option called edit. You can flip the question, you can flip the options, A can be displayed in D and D can be displayed in yes. Yes, sir. Prasad, sir. Yeah, Kahoot is free, sir. I'm going to demonstrate, sir. For students, it is free. You can enroll as a student to conduct exam, that is totally free. For professional higher education, they may charge around about $7, sir. I will show you, sir. Thank you for the question. Yeah. Where were we actually? Yeah, Google Form. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Prasad, sir. We should be enrolled as a student, because if you want to conduct an exam to the students, right? We should be enrolled as a student. That is, as a faculty, we are enrolling for the students. If you are a professor and if you want to conduct a test for your PhD scholars or MTech scholars, then you be registered as a faculty. I will show you a small demo, sir, so that your doubts may be cleared. Yeah, where were we actually? We were around Google Forms, right? Google Forms. That is one more beauty. You can jumble the question papers and you can jumble the questions also. That is available in Google Form. And coming, okay, this is about the few things. Yeah, okay, this is about the one stage of my presentation. uh, do you want me to conduct an exam right now, or do you want me to conduct the exam at the end? Naveen, at the end we will conduct a.
At the end, it is better.
Okay, okay, done. Okay, meanwhile, let me show you some of the websites. Okay, I'm stopping my screen share. I would like to show you something. Yeah, yes. One second, just I'm going into free ACT. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm going to share the screen of mine where I am. Right. Yeah. Hope you all can see my screen. Naveen, hello.
Yes, we are showing.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah. When you log into this site called free.aict. Srinivas sir and Hemant sir, I request you to please mute, sir. Thank you. Thank you a lot. This is a website where you can let me where do I have anything annotation? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just one second. I'm using yeah, pencil. Okay, you can go through this website, that is a free.aactindia.com. In that one, okay, in that one you can just, these are all the courses which are of free of cost. You can enroll, and as well as you can ask your students to enroll and get certification in this pandemic situation. And I would like to show you especially the MATLAB. Even AICT also providing internship program. Yesterday, I gave the small talk to other college also. They asked, sir, in the certification, do we get AICT logo? No. AICT has listed all the free courses and they have displayed on the website. That's all. In certification, you may not get certificate from the AICT. Srinivas sir, please mute yourself, Srinivas sir. Why Srinivas sir? Thank you. Yeah, hope you can see, right? Yeah, these are three MATLAB courses. MathWorks on ramp. MathWorks on ramp is the basic version. Like if you are a beginner in the MATLAB, if you want to do operations, how to use operations, for example, addition, subtraction, it starts from the basic and it gives you the flavor of the programming, like for loops, while, if loops, all will be discussed in this one. And second program is about machine learning on RAM. This is also a totally a live session. The one thing what I like this one is it is a side by side learning program, just like IIT Bombay's certification program. On the left side, he will give you the assignment. You need to read that assignment and you need to execute that one in the left side. One more beauty thing I have observed in that one is, first, if you don't know how to attack it, he will give you the first chances, he will give you the hint. That means use this one, your program will be done. Even though if you're not getting the one more beautiful thing is that at the bottom he will give you the solution. Okay. And what generally what people does is, okay, solution is available, just copy and paste. There is a no option called copy and paste, you need to type. It is all it is done very well established environment it got provided. And you can learn things, and if you complete the program you will get a certificate like this. Let me show you the certificate. uh, Let me show you one certificate what I have done. Yeah, during lockdown. mm, One second, this many folders I have. Yeah, during lockdown certification programs. Yeah, where is math works? Okay. Yeah, deep learning on ramp, right? Let me show you this. Okay, after completion of the program, you will get certificate like this. Okay, math works training certificate, course completion certificate. If you complete 100% of the program, you will get this certificate. Okay, and percent you can get your certificate. Okay, but most of the people do 100% because even he's giving some solutions also, no, that you can try at your level best. And one more certificate which I would like to show you is, yeah, this is one more thing, MATLAB on ramp. Yeah, this is all May 1st. I have done this course on April 28th itself. That time it was 91. Again, I have completed the course on May 1st. I got the certification. Okay, one second. I'm stopping my screen share. Yeah, where were we? Yeah, math works, right? I hope is it clear till this part? Uh, and this is one thing, okay, regarding math works. Please set all the faculty, irrespective of the department, please do it. You will learn things. What I personally request all the faculty is that never feel like this is my department. I want to do only a course related to computer science, only related to mechanical engineering, related to triple. Do not feel like that. Do multidiscipline things, then you will enhance your knowledge. And no one can steal your knowledge, seriously. If you are updating yourself, it's very good. This is one thing. And someone were asking about the Kahoot. Okay, let me show you this one, sir. Prasad sir, this is a Kahoot platform. Just Google it as a Kahoot. I conducted exam to my students to DSP, because I take up a subject called DSP, digital signal processing, to my third year students. One second, yeah, to my third year student. There is one small assessment exam also for JBREC, which consists of only 5 questions. We will play that game at the end of the program. Okay, and next coming to, okay, you may get a question like, okay, if I want to play this exam, I consist of only 5 questions. If I want to play this exam, just I will play this option, then it will generate a password. What you need to do is you need to get in the mobile, you need to type Kahoot, K-A-H. One second, let me write somewhere so that people will be remember. Yeah, I'm writing here. Oh my God, let me take pencil. Yeah, K-A-H. OOT dot in. If you Google it like this, just Kahoot.it, it will give you, it will ask you for the generate it will ask you for the game pin. When I press this play button, you people can able to see the game pin. If you type onto that game pin, yeah, your game starts, and it will show you the instantaneous result also. Who got first position, who got second and third, three positions will be displayed there. And even it will give you the score also, live score. And second one is about okay, this is done. Okay, annotations. Okay, done. Yeah, 1 second. Where I am. This is next one is there is an option called Mentimeter. Just 1 second. It's not coming. Yeah. Hello. Do I'm audible? Naveen,
Yes, it
do
is
I'm
audible.
audible? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, this is about Mentimeter. Just even I will show you the also I will show you the thing also where to log in. In this Mentimeter, okay, they forget about this. It will give you some pin number. Yeah, yeah. Hope you can see. 1 second. Let me do like yeah. Okay. Hope you can see this some code here. I request participants to mute yourself, please. Yeah. Hope you can see the code. The code is 6290079 is a code. Okay. Naveen, I am getting a resound, Naveen. Yeah. Okay. This is a code 629079. When you press, let me give you the URL also. Just in the mobile, you can type menti.com. It will ask you for the code. Okay. Here it is mentioned also. Yeah. Very good. It is mentioned here itself. Let me write that one also. You may ask one question, sir, how you are able to write this all on the board? That is the beauty of the WebEx. There is an option called whiteboard effect. Let me show you that one also. Okay. The site is www. I request all the participants to make a note of this too. Okay. Oh God, something went wrong. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Is it audible? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Please, sir,
Right, sir. Go
respond,
ahead.
Naveen. Yeah, because I'm very bothered about the net. If it is stop, then it looks very ugly from my side because this many participants are waiting for my talk. I should not disturb them. Yeah, yes, I got it. Yeah, this is a website. Uh, 1 second. Yes. Okay, the website. Oh, already people have started giving feedback. Seriously, thank you. I have not started this program. Okay, two people are given the option. Okay, one people I guess. Very good. Thank you, sir, for your feedback. The option is okay. www dot menti okay menti.com. Okay. Well, Yeah. Is it fine now? Okay, deny. Okay. Hello?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. I will go through. Okay, I got some annotation request. Okay. From Radhika. No, madam, I cannot give you a permission for annotation because it may disturb my presentation also. Somewhere it got stuck, I think. Okay. Navin, do I am audible?
Audible, audible.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Within. Okay, Radhika, madam, you are asking for annotation. I am denying it. I cannot give you that permission. Okay. Madam, why you want annotation, madam? Do you want to write something on the my wall? Okay. Fine. Okay. This is exclusive for the WebEx. I would like to give a demonstration and what are the features that are available in the WebEx I would like to give you. The title continuation title is exploiting WebEx for online teaching and learning process. Okay. Sorry, no annotations. Yeah. Okay, this I don't want to go about its objective. The first primary objective is this session will be give you a basic knowledge how to use the WebEx and what are the features available and how effectively you can give online courses to your students. And this is fully secured. There is no issues. Even now, Zoom has got so many security issues. It got resolved. So many people are following Zoom also. But I prescribe WebEx. And one more problem with the WebEx that is there is a constraint of bandwidth. It consumes large bandwidth. Okay, next. Okay, what would be the expected outcomes from my around 20 minutes or 30 minutes talk will be you will be able to understand the significance of this Cisco WebEx and what is how to use it very effectively, the second objective outcomes, and the third outcome will be you can able to understand and adopt the latest learning, teaching and training skills through the WebEx. Okay, this is one of my favorite quotations. In the society that create a great nation with the help of only students, teaching always gives the respect. That is where we are all here in the noble profession and we are doing our best. Okay, screen is not visible. Navin, hello?
Not visible.
Okay. One second, I'm stopping and again sharing. Huh? No issue, no issue. Yeah, now is it fine?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, expected outcomes will be you can understand understand the significance of this WebEx and how to use this one very effectively for your teaching learning process and you can learn some of the new innovations which are available in the WebEx which are not available in other sources like other platforms. And the quotation is in the society that creates a great nation with the help of students, teaching always gives you the respect. That's where we are in this noble professional. Then let me see what is WebEx actually. Uh, I sorry, WebEx is yet another popular web-based meeting. This is very important. We can you can hold a meetings and you can have these collaboration services like on-demand online meeting and video conferencing, collaboration and webinar. These are all are possible by using Cisco WebEx. The first one is on-demand online meeting is one. Second one is video conferencing. Third one is collaboration. Fourth one is you can conduct a webinars. Yes, Cisco WebEx is a subscription based online collaboration tools that provide together people for a virtual meetings. You just need to download the WebEx. Hope this everyone knows. You can download using a laptop, mobile tab, and all essential things. Okay, and one more thing which is very important: attendees can use this computer or without a headphone. Even without using headphone, also we can connect through the. even it was something is good which is happening in online in teaching communities, not physically. And the features which are available in the webex is that you can chat, you can type, and you can share the screen, and you can raise the hand. This is what some people are doing, raising the hand, and screen sharing is done from my end, and so on. Let me show what are the things which are available in the webex in depth. Okay. And there is one thing called webex meeting. Okay. This webex meeting is like a virtual conferencing software that allows users to collaborate online environment to oppose us face to face. Like even now I can show my face to you all, even you can also show my face virtually. We are physical, not physically meeting, but virtually we are seeing one another. And beautiful is that you can have your own cluster family members, and you can log into the webex and you can talk. For example, if you have a group friends of 10 members, share your webex link. What Naveen has done, he shared his personal room. Similarly, you can share your personal rooms, you can have a group, then you can talk to your peoples without any problem. The only one thing is you should have an internet. Okay, meeting centers conventionally works inside the web browsing. Yeah, this is very important. Some people want like, sir, I don't want to install in my laptop. Okay, without Saraswati madam, yeah,
Sir.
please, yeah, please mute, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Ah, some of the people may ask, sir, why do we install this all without any installation? Is there any possible? Yes, it is possible. Even directly in the web browsing, also you can directly go to the web browsing, make you yourself as a host, log into with your credentials, or else create your own what we call, with the help of your username and password, create your account. You can start sharing that content to others, and others can also join to your room without any download installation also. This can also be done using web browsing. With the help of web browsing also we can host the meetings. Okay, just like a meeting center is audio only for calls like traditional conference calls. Even you can use a webcam, and presentations can be shared, and you can display your videos or else your presentation to all the people. Next, these are few things which is very interesting in Cisco WebEx. Okay, what are the things we can do? You can conduct everyday collaboration meeting also. You can cluster the study group people like your classrooms. Presentation can be done. And one more beautiful thing in the Cisco WebEx is that it goes on. It won't stop after, just like in Zoom. It will recursive for after 40 seconds, but Cisco WebEx, it doesn't have that problem. You can host this talk for 2 hours, 3 hours. There is a new duration problem. Okay, you can even training and placement can also use this accounts for training the students and conducting a workshop. Host control is possible, and you can have a large scale events even in the Cisco WebEx. If you have a paid version, you can gather students, or you can gather a participants about 10,000 also possible from the Cisco WebEx. This opportunity is not available with any other software other than WebEx. WebEx can involve student participants or any participants up to 10,000. There is no limit for the paid version. Okay, and meeting audio video interaction is possible to 200 participants. This is for the paid version, and the last this side is for the free version. Okay, if you want to have file sharing option will be there. You can call, or you can involve 100 participants also. And one more thing in Cisco WebEx for the paid one is you can have a online polling session, like polling. Sometimes some people might be join the FDP and they will go in the personal works also. To get alert, you can host this polling meeting. Okay, if someone is not answering your polling, that means he is not there in your talk. All controls are available for the paid version. Okay, you can moderate the question and answer session. Even breakout rooms are also available. What do you mean by breakout rooms is that you can yeah, for example, EC department one faculty, CSC one, triple one, mechanical one, let we cluster 5 people of different group department, and we can have one group, we call it as a outbreak room, exclusive, that 5 people can talk, other people cannot involved in the talk. That is possible in Cisco WebEx only. Outbreak rooms are possible. These outbreak rooms are not possible in other website, other online tools. Okay. Next, this is about the procedure, how to join, start meeting. Hope this everyone knows about the. Yeah, yeah, Navin. Yeah. Now, is it audible in chat box? Someone can say yes or no. Is it
Yes,
audible?
yes.
Thank you. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is about the control panel to change the roles from presenter and host and all. Next one is this is what very important. Only host can do this all control. Mute himself all, or else there is a third option called mute all. Okay, let me enlarge. Is it possible to see? Yeah, hope you can see. Mute all, unmute. Okay, mute all option is only available with the host only can do. Okay, you can mute all the people and you can uh, close it. And even before the participants in the beginning, at the file there is a poll option also, but like free options, polling is not possible. Okay, and this is a few features about the Cisco WebEx, like muting and unmuting. Next one is, yeah, this is three things. When even when we log into this one, we get this layouts, three layouts. This here. Yeah, okay. Okay. In this one, active speaker and thumb view is default if a speaker is highlighted. Okay. This grid-like structure, in this grid-like structure, you can see up to 25, but it is not only 25, you can watch so many others also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hope it is clear. Please in the chat box you put yes or no. That's all. Okay. Yeah. It is visible, I guess. My voice is also clear. Yes, I'm able to hear someone voice means yes. Yeah. Sir, SEM, KM. Sir, please mute yourself, sir. Thank you. Yeah, okay, the last one is side by side view is also possible. These are all the what we call tools or layouts which are available in the WebEx. And the next one is yeah, this is a screen sharing option which you can see in the beginning of your talk. It is shows that video, audio, screen sharing options, participants, questionnaires, everything. This option is especially for the screen share. What are the things which are there in the screen sharing option is the first option is you can screen share your own screen is one thing. Second, you can share your videos or files to the attendees. For example, I want to share this presentation to all the participants. I can do it. I can share some of the applications to the attendants, like Kahoot is one application I would like to share. That is also possible. And the fourth one is, which is very very beautiful, is whiteboard effect live classrooms. Just like whatever you write it on the board, that can also be viewed by your students very perfectly. That gives a more interactive session for the students. If we teach on in the PPTs, they may feel bored. When you start writing some problems or equations, they get jitters in their stomach. Yeah, something is going on. I need to put concentration on that. And even you can do multimedia can also be shared, like web pages, and multimedia content can also be shared. Okay. Yeah, this is the option where when you select a screenshot option, you can see like this all options. In the bottom of that one, you can see, yeah, here even in the bottom you can see this is for the voice, this is for the video, and third one is for the share content. In the third one, you can go through these two things. At the top, if you are able to see, let me enlarge it. Okay, here optimize for the text and images. There is one more thing, optimize for the videos. Let me show you in the next slide also. Let me minimize it. Okay, yeah, this is one thing. And the fourth option is about recording option. Fifth option is for the participant view. Sixth option is for the chat, and seventh option is for the question and answer session, and other things also available. And the last red color shows you that ending of the meeting. Okay, now let me enlarge. Just now I talked about two things. Yeah, when you select to optimize for the videos and images, one option. Even you can optimize the motion or the video. If you want to share a video, you need to select this option. Then you need to share videos to the participants. If you share it as a text and image, the voice may not be clear at the participant end. Okay. Yeah, this is about sharing a file and sharing whiteboard. Okay. Before ending my talk, I would like to stop the screen share and I would like to show you the whiteboard effect. Shall I go ahead, Naveen, with whiteboard effect?
Okay, okay, no problem. Continue.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, when I'm sharing my share content at the bottom, I can see a called as whiteboard. Yes. Hope you can all see the white color board which is available. Okay. And yeah. Okay, these are all the contents. Okay, I hope it is not visible for you. At the left side, there are few icons. We call it as like text. For example, if I select a text, I can directly write like this text. Sai Kumar Tara. Tara. Okay, like this I can text, or else I can, for example, computer science people, if they want to give a live class of about drawing, like flow charts and all, they can use this all options. One is this, and the oval like structure. Oh God, yeah, there is an option. There is a eraser also. Let me rub. Yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, okay. There are few lines you can, for example, it is a single line also. You can join like this. 1 second. Let me select the option. Yeah. Okay. But you need a bit practice for this one. Okay, just you can drag it or somewhere. Yeah, like this. And next you can write your text there. I'm not doing exactly. I'm writing some cases. That's it. Don't feel that what he is writing. For example, x is equals to 8 is one case. Just adjust yourself. Okay. Next, this is for example, start button. Okay, you can directly involve your students by drawing this all. And one more thing, there is a pen and pencil option. When you select a pen tool, it looks like a marker. When you select it as a pencil tool, which is there towards the left side, you can write it very neatly. Okay, especially if you want to draw figures like let me go ahead with one thing what it is. Yeah, I'm erasing it. Okay. Okay. Okay, by selecting an eraser option I can erase it. For example, if I want to draw, if I want to teach a maths for the math for the BTech first year students, let me teach like this. Okay, in math or else DSP, anything. Okay, we can write equations like this. Okay, yeah. Dx. Okay. For example, I'm just giving an option. This is for math. For example, for EC students, let have a block diagram. Even it is applicable for controls also. Control systems. One second, where it is. Yeah. Okay. It will join, guys. Yeah, it has joined. Okay. If x of n is my input and y of n is my output and h of n is my impulse response. What would be the output response of a system? Like output is equals to, just I'm writing with my hand itself on the keypad. That's it. Input convolve with impulse response. If it is discrete, then its formula is sigma. That is in the discrete domain. Okay, like x of k hold followed by shift n minus k n minus k into, that is multiplication here, it means. Okay, multiplication. Yeah, multiplication somewhere. What are the value we have here? It is k ranges from uh, k ranges from minus infinity to plus infinity. If it is a causal system, or else it varies from 0 to infinity. For example, it is non-causal system. Yeah, like this, you can take up the classes on the whiteboard. It reflects very nicely to the students. They feel so happy. Our sir or madam is putting some effort to teach for us. Like that, you can learn something. Hope you all you all have gained some knowledge from this session. And there is one more thing I learned from my students. Seriously, one second, I will show you that site also. Even we can learn so many things from our students. I was sketch, I guess. Sketch, I was pad. Yeah. I would like to share one more thing to you all is, yeah, where it is. Is it there? Yeah. I'm sharing that content to you all. Yeah. Hope hope you can see this one.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this is one more thing apart from that whiteboard effect. When you search in the Google sketch.io, okay, sketch.io, it will give you a beautiful, beautiful structure board where you can give your class very nicely. Same, just like on the board, how do you write it? In the same fashion, it looks very beautiful, and students get attracted towards their teaching things. But if you put everything on the PPT, they may feel bad. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is about my talk. Hope this talk is enlightened with some knowledge to you all. And oh, Naveen has sent the feedback form also. Okay, no issue. There now, shall we start the quiz? One small fun exercise. Naveen and Ushasri madam, shall we start it the program?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. You can start it, sir.
Okay. Now I am going. Now
Hello.
I am going. Yeah, yeah. Hello, hello, sir. Please tell me, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead, sir. Let me clear your doubts and I will play that game. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, here last one you used sketch.ino, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, it is possible to use in Zoom or it is useful for this one
Yes.
only,
No, 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 no.
Webex?
It is possible to use in Zoom, GoToMeeting, whichever platform you want to use, you can use.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Sir,
you.
seriously, I learned that sketch IO from my student. His name is Saharsh. He told, sir, shall we try this one also? That time I have gone and it was very successful that time. Thank you.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
shall we start the game?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm sharing my content once. Yes. Yeah, I'm sharing the content. Please go through it. And okay, hope you are able to see. I'm playing the game. Hope this game can be participated by n number of participants. The only one thing is that you should have a mobile or else laptop. Side by side, you can go through it, guys. I would like to tell one more thing. You cannot see the questions in your mobile. If you want to do, you can see my laptop question, and you can able to see only the colors. That's all, and results will be displayed on the spot. I'm going to play this one. It started. Okay. Yeah. No. 1 second. Unless I have gone through. I was specify the date as 19th. I should specify it as now itself. Yeah. Done. Yes. Okay. Play. Assign it. Yeah. Today is 16th. Yeah, it is 12. Oh my god. Okay, it is play up to only 50 participants, I guess. But it is
Sir,
showing a
12,
time.
12
Yeah,
p.m.
yeah. Yeah, it is 12 p.m. but already it is started. No, sir, it's not creating. Let me once. Just second, sir. 1 second. Okay, let me go through this one. Is it possible? Actually, on the spot, I should have created that one. Oh, it is now. Yeah, it's classic. Okay, a team model. Team mod. Yeah, it's going to start. Please see. The password is this one 153657. I'm repeating, password is 153657 153657. Okay, please join the program first. Okay, just go to the Kahoot, www.kahoot, kahoot.it. It go to that one and register, like by pressing this key you can go through it. I can, that time I can see the participant list names also. Waiting for the team, it is showing. Till now no one has joined. Go to kahoot.it. In that one, game pin is 153657. Yeah, okay. Okay, two members have joined, Prasad sir and Saidaya sir. Okay, Ravinder sir, Ravi Kumar sir. Okay, yeah, yeah, nicknames also be given. Okay, Swapna madam, 5 members. Okay, SPR sir, XYZ Venu. Okay, now people are joining. Eight members have joined. I selected it as a team, I guess. Okay, okay, 11 members. Okay, Srinivas Vasu. Okay, now, okay, right now we are 14 members. Let me start the exam. Shall I? 15 members, 16. Gopal, yeah, Ravi Kumar, Radhika Madam, Prabhakar, Anudeep. Wow. Now team is increasing. Seriously, wow. Wow. Okay, 20 members have 21. Oh, good. 22. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start this exam. Okay. Okay. Now test has been started. Just go through that questions. Okay, there are 5 questions. Are you ready? The first question is, do you think online session is good? Okay. Options. Okay, options. Good, better, bad, maybe. Okay, I got one answer. 3 answers. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 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 I make it as a 90 minutes question because the first question should be of 90 minutes. 21 response, we got it. Okay. Fine. Now I'm skipping this one. Okay. The question, the online sessions are good is 10 people are accepting. And third color, okay, orange. Fourth, green. Okay, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. Yeah. Okay. I got 20 answers. One, yeah, one more 22. Okay. Okay, I'm closing this question. Skip, right? The answers, seriously, even we don't know. Okay, who is on the first position now? 153657 sir is on the top with score of 981. Next, third question. Get ready. Is it a true or false question? Do your college is NBA accredited? Yes or no? Okay. Answer is true. Only 6 people has given answer true, and Answer false is 15. Okay. Serious. Okay. Who is on the top position now? Okay, same. 153657. May I know who is this? 153657, sir. Okay, get ready for the fourth question. Can we update or upskills in this pandemic? It's a true or false question. Can we update ourselves or upskills in this pandemic situation? Okay, I got 20 answers. One more 20. 23 answers I got. So I'm going. Yeah, it is only about. Yeah, time is up. 1 second. Done. I gave this for 20 seconds. Okay, answer is 2. Yes. We can update our upskills in this pandemic situation. May I know who is now in the top position? Same 153657 sir is on leading position. Okay. 15 places. B Sandhya is at higher claim. Okay. Next question. Last question. It is a true or false. Do session is good? It is about only 20 seconds. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Hello.
time up. Time up. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
27 answers are correct. Yeah. Please tell me, Srinivas, sir. Yeah, who
My
is
name
on the
is
top
Srinivas
position?
only 3657. Yacham Srinivas.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Yacham Srinivas.
Yeah, you are on the top position, sir, with the score of 4,427. Okay. Srinivas, sir, is on the top
Yacham
position.
Srinivas is my
Second
name.
position goes. Yeah,
My,
sir. Yeah, Cham, sir. Yeah, second position and third position. Hope you can see. Right. Hope you had nice time in this funny game.
yeah, very good, sir. It is very interesting.
Thank you. Thank you. Now the last game of today's talk is Mentimeter. I request all to log into menti.org. Let me show you the screen. Okay. Let me share it. Mm, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Sir, please log into menti.com. MENTI. Menti.com. And the password for that code is yeah. The website is Menti, MENTI, menti.com, and the code is 629079. Okay, 629079. Okay, okay. Please log into it. Use this pin code 629079, and you can give the feedback. How was today's session? Is a question. Okay, I'm getting. Okay. Okay, you can give your answers. Right now, we do have 74 participants. I'm making it as 81 participants. Okay, not only 10, we can give up to 100. I'm making it to the 100. Yeah. 21 members have given the feedback. Someone says hi. Someone says excellent, very informative. Okay. You can see your own feedback here. Not only me, you can also see your feedback. What are the input you have given for me? Okay. Interesting. Are you able to see the structure? It is randomizing and it gives some a beautiful structure with beautiful colors. Okay, only 27 people have given the feedback out of 70. Fine. Okay. Okay, over to you now. Someone are giving. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Ramesh sir, for your feedback on the text big chat window. 30 members have given. Okay. If your answers are same, then it yeah informative. Thank you. Interesting. Thank you. Yeah. Now over to you, Navin. Meanwhile, participants may give this feedback. Okay. Over to you, Navin. I'm stop sharing screen.
I
Okay,
request all
Radhika
the
madam, you
participants,
want to
can you ask any
participate?
questions if you want any questions?
Navin, have you took any photos of this screenshot? Hello, I request participants to mute to please. Navin sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, tell me, sir.
have you took any screenshots?
Already taken, sir. Can I share?
You can please share me in the WhatsApp. No issue. Okay,
Okay,
is
okay.
there any questions from the participants? Ushasri madam, I am able to see you. Hope you are doing good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So nice, ma'am.
Your session is really very nice and very interesting, sir. It has
Thank you,
very
madam.
enlightened us with so many different things. As you said that yes, it is a lockdown period and we have to update ourselves. And we are also planning to do some events like this, the way you have done the practicing sessions, so that our faculty also get familiar with this new technology. They will come to know the pro and cons of each of the technology and can explain the same to the students and to the faculty members. I once again thank you very much, Dr. Thanks.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your wonderful words. And hope you all enjoyed, ma'am. Hope you all enjoyed.
Hello, sir. I have a doubt. Hello,
Yeah, sir. Please go
sir.
ahead, sir.
Actually, in
Mohammed,
math,
sir.
Mansur. Actually, in the math works in e-learning,
Hello.
in math works or deep learning, can we do practicals in online?
Hello.
Sir, is it audible? Uh,
Yeah. Now you are audible. Now you are audible.
yeah.
Yes,
Actually, in
sir.
math works,
Sir,
e-learning is there, no, sir. For that, deep learning course is there. For that, can we do practical session through online? Actually, yesterday I tried to install the math
Sir,
work, but
yeah, sir. It is totally, sir. It is totally online. There is no offline.
so can we do practical session in online also?
Sir, that is totally practical session. That too online at the lab. Like left side, it will give you an assignment, and right side, you need to write a program.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. It is virtual side by side learning, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Seriously, you will gain knowledge from that one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And okay. Any more questions from your end?
Hello, sir.
Usha madam? Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, is it useful for engineering graphics?
Oh my God, graphics. Okay, you mean to say that whiteboard effect and sketch for drawing?
For online, sir, online.
Online graphics, no idea, sir. But
Thank you.
one thing, sir, by using AutoCAD you can do, sir. If you have an AutoCAD
I know, AutoCAD, I know. AutoCAD, I know,
in
sir.
your laptop, then you can go ahead, sir. One thing you can do, sir, even in Zoom or WebEx, you share the content. Yeah, you can directly
Okay,
share to the students.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sir, that is possible with AutoCAD. Thank you. Okay. Any more questions? Naveen sir, over to you.
Thank you, Sai, accepting our request. Such a good program, sharing your experience and valuable suggestions also how to conduct the online classes. It is a good program from our JBRC. We are very much thankful to you. As a alumni, we are congratulate you as a Sai. Thank you, Sai.
Okay.
Excellent
Thank you,
program.
Naveen. Thank you.
And I am very much thankful to the principal madam also. And I am very much thankful to all participants without
Madam.
taking very much
Yeah.
time. Thank you all.
A big clap from our side.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you so
Hello.
much. I'm very much always be active when I get any invitation from JBRC, being a parent college.
Madam, good afternoon, madam.
Thank you, sir. Sir, most of the faculty could not give their feedback, I think, because of some technical issues or some other thing. And on behalf of them, I'm telling you, the session was wonderful. We really learned a lot good things, and thank you for accepting. And as a student, you should always give back something to the institution, which has given you an identity.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
kindly do share any updates related to these things, sir. Anything which is related to online classes, the better we can make,
Okay.
so that we can give information to the faculty members. We got one major problem, sir, which HOD mechanical sir was discussing, how to handle the engineering graphics for first year students.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so we was looking for,
Madam, one the solution is uh, uh, we can do demonstration to the students, but the same software should also available at student end.
yes,
Or
sir.
else one thing is that you can use a whiteboard effect to draw and show them, ma'am.
Okay, good. We will definitely try, sir.
Sure, ma'am. If anything help is needed, you can ping me, ma'am. That's it. I'm
Definitely,
always
sir.
ready
We will be
to help.
practicing. Yes, sir. From today onwards, we will start practicing whatever you have said. And in case of any difficulty, we will definitely get back to you. And please
Sure,
assist
sure,
us
ma'am.
in what best way we can do it. Thank you
Sure,
for
sure.
giving us
Thank you.
such a rich knowledge. And definitely, we would like to do the courses. And we need some of the students and faculty also to take up the new courses, any online course, as you said, which is a
Yeah,
good
ma'am.
one, which will help us for our career development skills, which help the students to complete their project work for the placement. So, any information, sir, whatever you think that, yes, this is the information which is required to be shared with JBREC regarding the faculty, our software, anything related to online classes, you are welcome to share it, sir.
Sure, ma'am. 100%. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity for delivering this talk. Naveen and Ushasri madam and all the heads of the department and participants. Seriously, the participants were so active and really it motivated me seriously. When we give any talk to our parent college, we get something very heart touching thing, as I feel personally. And
Yes, sir.
thank you so much for giving
See,
this
faculty
opportunity.
very active, sir. Very active, sir. JPRC faculty.
Thank you, Ramesh sir. Thank you. Even I can see all the faculties who are really active.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Seriously, sir. Naveen were asking me from so many days, sir, when you are free, when you are free. At night, 12 o'clock, I have messaged him.
Yes, sir.
16th is a fixed date. You please lock it.
Naveen sir is active, very excellent coordinator, sir, for our college.
Yes, yes, sir. He's so active.
Hello.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Srinivas sir.
Ramesh sir, please
Okay,
share
sir.
your feedback, sir.
Vice Principal sir is there. Arun Murthy sir, are you there?
Arun Murthy sir.
yes yes వాయిస్ మ్యూట్ కదా
Oh,
సార్ మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే
Yeah, you can talk, sir.
Arun Murthy sir.
మేడం
సార్ మాట్లాడండి సార్, వినిపిస్తుంది.
Sir, do you have any doubts, sir? So after this session, we will discuss separately with sir regarding the quizzes, sir. How
Yes,
to
yes.
conduct. We will practice 1 or 2 quiz, and we will ask how we can improve.
ఎస్ మేడం
And
ఎస్
any
వీ
other
హ్యావ్ టు
doubts, sir?
ఇంటరాక్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్
ఇద్దరు బండిపైన పోము.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
ఓకే మేడం
Okay, sir.
ఓకే
Okay, thank you, Ramesh sir, for your feedback. Rajaya sir, thank you. Naveen too. Okay. Okay, see you all, and soon after the lockdown, I try my level best to come to JBRSA for any other program too.
Sure, sure. Sure, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Naveen.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సాయి.
Thank you, Naveen. Please share the feedback to me to my
Sure,
mail
sure.
ID.
Definitely I will share today evening.
Yeah, thank you.
Definitely, sir.
I will consolidate and I will share you.
Sure.
Photos and screenshots also I will share you.
Sure, Naveen. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you. Yeah. Shall I leave, Naveen?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Ushasri
Hello,
madam.
Sai.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Srinivas sir.
Yeah, Sai, how are you? Fine.
Sir, I am fine, sir. How about you?
Yeah, fine. I want to talk with
మీ
you.
వాయిస్ ఎక్కడ మీ వాయిస్ ఎక్కడున్నా కూడా గుర్తుపట్టేయచ్చు.
Thank you, Sai. You made a good session for us. Very thankful.
Thank you so much, sir, Srinivas sir.
Sir, certificate provide చేస్తారా sir దీనికి?
Sir Ramesh sir, we will send certificates tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Kindly fill up the feedback form.
Yeah, definitely.
Naveen, shall I leave? Hello, Naveen.
చెప్పు సాయి, వినిపిస్తుంది.
Shall I leave?
శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ ఏమైనా మాట్లాడతారా? క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా?
నథింగ్ సాయి నేను పర్సనల్ గా ఫోన్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్
We'll close
Bye
the
all
session, sir.
JBRC faculties. సార్ నవీన్ సార్ ఎవరో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అడుగుతుండ్రు చూడండి. సురేష్ సార్ అనుకుంటా. సెండ్ మీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ లింక్ అని.
Okay, I will share.
We will share it.
Okay, madam. Thank you, Ushasri madam, Naveen and Srinivas sir and all the faculty.
Good day.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you very much.
Thank you.